Ay, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair, and they sent me this beautiful deep wave 24 inches 5x5 closure wig. I finessed it, like I really did. I was super excited when I saw the results. I was like, yeah, I did that. This is also pretty much glueless because, like, sis, like, okay, anyways, so yeah, but before I jump into this video, I can show you guys how I got this look. Let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. If you're supposed to order this wig, then you will get the bag that you could store it in when you're done using it, their information card to tell you all about the wig, and some stocking cap, clips, headband to help mold your baby hair in place, some lashes, bobby pins. Oh my gosh, they gave us a lot, and a bonnet. Cute. So like I said, this wig is 24 inches. It is 5x5 and it is deep wave, also glueless. But if you guys want to see where I got this wig, then please keep on.
Gotta roll over to you, gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock up in your sleep. I'ma roll on the forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
Assalaxx. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class. That's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Assalaxx.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. When you get something, baby, you're out of time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you right in my space. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. But my body
this is pretty much the final look. Once again, I would like to thank Tinashe Hair for sponsoring this video. Honestly, this wig is a 10 out of 10. Like, it's very soft and shiny. I did spray some product in it to kind of revive the curls a bit, but even before I sprayed it in, it was very shiny. The lace is really giving. Like, I can't believe this is actually glueless. Like, I keep moving it around, not believing that actually, you know, it's glueless. Like, no glue, no nothing. And it literally took maybe, to be honest, 20 minutes to install. Like, as long as you pluck it and then put it on your head, lay the baby hair down tight, revive the curls, then you're good. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Oh my god, I'm ending this video without rating this hair. Okay, so if I'm supposed to rate this wig and this install, it would be 9.5 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10, just because like it's not perfect, but it's damn near perfect. Okay, but yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.